Okay, we're live. We
Where's
are live. I want to get. I want to see if I can get
I'll take a picture for you, buddy.
Paul in here. Welcome, welcome. Dimitri, could you just do a mic check real quick
Welcome, baby.
so I can hear you?
Mic check
I want to see if I
101,
can
baby.
get
I'll take a picture for you, buddy.
Paul in here. Welcome, welcome. Dimitri, could you just do a mic check real quick
Welcome, baby.
so
Right
I
here,
can hear you?
guys. Mic check.
Okay.
Jay, this is what I smoked. They broke, guys. They broke. We're going to high day.
I got no trade until 2 o'clock.
They broke. They broke. Look at that. Yo, who's still holding? Any champion still? Wow.
Adam, you're still in. Let's go, buddy. Nice job, man. This is
Oh, Adam.
this is crucial zone right here. I would definitely take some profit here and then try to hold on to runners, but you got about, I don't know, 13 minutes until fireworks, so
Look at that move, baby. Who's still holding, guys? Bottom bounce. This is how you catch the bottom.
what a day. What?
Woo! Look at that.
They're gonna break. I want to get
Pre-market highs, guys. Pre-market highs. Empty pocket. Pre-market highs.
I want to get Powell pulled up.
Wow, look at the conditions, how they changed. Conditions are super bearish. Now the conditions are bullish. Look at that. Wow, wow, wow. I would have been up 10 racks if I would have held. West side trader, anybody still holding? Anybody still holding? Is that bad? That shit costed me $74 for 5 pre-rolls.
So his press conference isn't until 2:30 today. Just a FYI.
Look at that, guys. Look at that, guys. Pre-market highs. Pre-market highs.
His press conference isn't until
Yeah, it's mixed with hash. It's mixed with the key for hash, whatever it is, man. I like the tip. The tip is glass. You know me, I always like the tips.
I wonder if I can lay this over the other.
Guys, the broken trend line broke and we never backtested. We never backtested the broken trend line. If you guys want longs, you guys can get back in at the broken trend line. Backtest. VWAP should break right now. I'm gonna go very light at the backtest. Pulse. I'm gonna go very light. 25 contracts. A little bit lower. A little bit lower. One more tick down. One more tick down.
There we go. I figured it out.
I got my lunch. A little bit lower. A little bit lower. Come on, backtest that. I'm in calls, guys. Very small size. Very small size. 25 contracts. I'm in calls. If this rejects, guys, this is going to be bad. Empty pocket going up, empty pocket going down. I'm in very light size.
I'm gonna wait until
There should be a bounce.
2 o'clock.
Should be a bounce, guys. This is the 50%. This is the 50% retracement from top of the day and the bottom of the day. I just added. I have 50 contracts now. Green. Go boom, 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 boom. Pre-market highs, baby. Take me to the promised land. Look at that. Get that. There's only 4 people viewing YouTube, and I'm one of them.
It's all right. Guys, SPX is still too expensive for me to trade. So, yeah, YouTube does lag, Joey. YouTube lags a lot.
Boom, 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 boom. Anybody got calls with me at that broken trend line backtest? Look at that. Go, go, go. Westside Trader, you're a champion, buddy. You're a champion. I like you. You smart.
You
You
important.
loyal.
You important.
I appreciate you. All right, guys, I'm out. I'm out. I'm satiated. Buddy, I'm fucking up 8,000 today.
I'm not impressed. You can do better.
Not impressed. I know. Look at that, guys. Pre-market highs, guys. Pre-market highs.
You smart.
You're loyal. We gapped up on the 1 minute, guys. We gapped up. They're super bullish. Look at this. We gapped up. Super, super bullish, guys. Super bullish, guys. I'm about to FOMO. I just FOMO'd, guys. I'm in calls again. Super bullish. I like this gap up.
We only have 4 people watching.
Boom, 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 boom. Go, go, go. We're about to fucking rocket. SpaceX right now.
Joey, if you're watching YouTube, a lot of things that help is if you set the speed to like playback speed to like 1.25.
Look at that.
You're getting way too excited.
Look at that. I'm not even going to trade FOMC, I think. This is FOMC, baby. This is Dimitri C.
No, contracts are too expensive for me right now.
Boom, 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 boom,
For
boom,
SPX,
boom, boom.
I have to wait.
Look how bullish we are, guys. Look how bullish we are. We fucking gapped up on the 1 minute. And we just gapped up again, I think. Gap after gap after gap on the 1 minute, guys. They want to go. All right, I'm taking my profit. I'm all out. I'm happy. I'm all out. Lunch money. Guys. Look how bullish we are. We fucking gapped up on the 1 minute.
Yeah, there's pretty decent lag. Oh well, what are you gonna do? That's why it's almost impossible to trade with us if you're watching YouTube. For all you viewers out there.
You gotta Ryan make a clip of Dimitri saying super bullish and get AI to remix it. Yo, Ryan G, imagine if I held my full size from the bottom to now. You did say it. Did you get into it, buddy? Did you get into that? Please tell me you did. I'm long. Milk and cookies.
You know, if you take a look at the chart, what they did today, they rugged all the fresh bulls from this morning from this slow push down. And all the bears holding hopes that didn't get out on this drop are probably going to get freaking treatment now, and they're going to head right back north. And once they start doing the ripsaw candles, that's it. Premiums will be shredded. Premiums aren't shredded yet. They're still very much alive, so that's why I'm not touching SPX yet. SPX at the money is still $19. That's no bueno.
I got my lunch. 100% cash, guys. I think you should take your profits, guys. This is pre-market high level. But market conditions and volumes are fucking bullish. Look at the MACD, buddy. It went from negative to positive in one cycle. Big shout out to Sniper Fraud.
Big shout out. I think we have a special listener in here.
Guys,
Hold
look
on,
at the
let me take a
1
look.
hour candle, guys. Holy shit. Look at the 1 hour candle, guys. It's about to close in 4 minutes. Look how bullish the 1 hour candle is. No, Joey, I guarantee you we're not going to have a rate cut. I'll put my whole net worth there.
They're not. They're not. There's no way. No, it's probably a pause.
I'll get it.
It's gonna
Not
be
having a
another
rate cut
pause.
today.
It's gonna be the same exact speech. You guys are gonna hear the same exact speech. It's all pre-written. He's gonna say inflation is easing. I'm the best. My name's Jerome Powell.
Wow.
Let's take some questions. That's it. Does it every single time. What did Trump just post? He just posted something.
All right, guys. So I have a discovery. This is where
He's talking?
Is where I want puts, guys. I'm about to send you guys a screenshot.
If he's talking, I'm going to
This
throw
is
it up
where
on
I
the
want
live.
puts.
No, he's not talking.
This is where I want puts, guys. This channel. We're about to get to that channel, guys. Sloping resistance. From Monday's highs, guys, to today's highs is a sloping resistance. I want that. I need that.
I have a lot of supply going up. I got 610, 650, 690 and high a day today. Lots of supply to go up. We will see. We shall see. I wish Rico was joining us today. Rico, where you at, buddy? No Rico?
6 people are watching, and I'm probably one of them.
I think I'm one of them. No, there's 8. We're viral, baby. Psych. We have a special guest.
Rookie numbers.
We have a special guest watching, Dimitri.
Who? Taylor Gang?
No. Not Taylor Gang.
Who is it? Israel?
Yeah. My friend.
Oh, what's up, Israel?
I don't know if she's listening or not. Maybe.
You drink the fizzy bubbelach?
What was
All right.
Zoran? What was that?
Zohan.
See, I thought he was Palestinian though.
Guys, if you notice, we're literally at the 50% from today's highs and today's lows. Look what they did with the premium. They just shredded the premiums today. And at 2 o'clock, when the event is going to start, guys, the IV is going to drop. Don't be holding anything, guys. Especially 0 dates. Premiums are going to be shredded.
That's what I'm waiting for.
The event pass.
I want SPX, but SPX is still way too pricey right now. They're gonna crush SPX in half, minimum in half. Contracts are $20. They should be closer to 10 at the money, $11 at the money. So there's definitely gonna be some games.
This is another call opportunity, guys, in my opinion. I'm not taking it, but they're bullish. They're bullish, little guys. That this is another fucking gift to get into calls, in my opinion. They're bullish. They're still bullish. I think they want to go to break of structure level. But 16 seconds, guys, until fireworks.
He starts at 2:30, so they're gonna release their data, and then he doesn't come on until 2:30, and then after 2:30,
Algo starts in 3 seconds, guys. Boom, baby. There you go. Look at that. Told you calls.
this is the funds rate announcement, which is probably
Calls,
going to be a
calls.
pause.
Anybody got calls? Any gamblers?
No, I'm not touching this yet. I'd like to short a double top.
move.
Yeah, that's what I mean. I'd like to short a double top. Holy
Boom, boom,
shit.
boom, boom. Guys, I got puts on my screen. I'm in puts, guys. I'm in puts.
SPX
This is
just
my
won.
channel.
SPX just did
I
$10.
illustrated for you guys. Puts. Boom, 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 boom. Go, 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 go. Daddy, I got slipped in my favor on that one.
Yeah, I'm not jumping in yet.
Boom, boom, boom.
I'm not jumping in yet.
I got puts literally at the top, guys. Tick that shit, guys. That was the channel I illustrated for you guys. Go, 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 go.
Only reason why I don't like this, Dimitri, is because
guys, I'm all out.
Dimitri, I don't like this because they already stole the money back from the freshest bulls today, and there's a good possibility that they take the top
I
out.
sold way too early.
Good possibility
Sold way
they take
too
the top.
fucking early, man.
Stop getting yourself so excited.
Damn
You're up.
it! I sold way too early. Look at that.
Stop getting excited. Relax. Compose yourself.
I'm back in.
Shut up.
I'm back in. Green.
Compose yourself. Over
I like
trading.
that reject, guys. We rejected after that nice sloping resistance, guys. From 2 days ago high to today's high. Boom, boom, boom. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. POC price target. Go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm all out, guys. $10,000 on the day. That's how we do, baby. I got my measly paycheck today.
Shut up. Oh,
Got my
man.
measly paycheck today, guys.
Community
Got my
moderation.
measly paycheck. Guys, this picture right there, right here, this picture was worth $1 million right there, guys. Whatever I just posted. I got puts literally at the top of this channel, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Holy shit. Any champions still in, guys?
I'm letting them shred
Any
premiums.
champions still in? This is great. This is great.
I'm letting
Great.
them.
I'm chasing this move, guys. I'm in put. I'm chasing this fucker.
Guys, take a breather.
Oh, and look at that.
Do not recommend this right now. Just take a breather. Dimitri, you got to relax a little bit, buddy. These candles are too volatile. People will blow up. As soon as you enter, fucking the candles, the premiums are just jumping too fast. They're gonna destroy them. Let them shred them. Let them shred the premiums. You guys hear me?
Yeah.
Oh, geez, you don't have to get all depressed. I'm just telling you to relax. You got some crazy euphoria right now. You said, yeah, all sad.
You told me to relax.
Oh,
Maybe
fucking
like
knock
the
it
live
off.
stream now, guys.
Holy shit, Ryan. Nice job, dude. 5,700. Cha-ching. Where's the cash register? So, rate, no change. 4.5%. No change on the rate.
Boom, 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 boom. Go, go, go. Oh, we are gonna print today, guys. We are going to fucking print right now, guys. Oh yeah. One more tick down. Done. All out. All out. Look at that. This is demand, guys. This is demand.
What's cooking over
Print
here,
factory
Joey?
today,
100%, Joey. Nice trade. Nice trade. Just be careful.
Print factory.
They're doing damage to premiums. They're doing damage to premiums.
Shit, yo, they wanna dump it, guys.
Oh yeah, dude. Look at QQQ went up and touched the high a day, and they're almost back to the low a day in one cycle.
Guys, they wanna dump.
Still, SPX is still not quite there for me. It's still too expensive. They need to shred these a little more. If I hit
For now, guys,
if I hit
every
SPX,
fucking-
it's going to be probably 5-10 contracts max in these conditions. Here.
Every pump is a dump, guys. Every pump is a dump, guys. Spy is a penny stock right now. Every pump is a dump on the 1 minute. Let's see the cycles change. For now, every pump is a dump. PCP. Let's see if PCP wants to test.
PCP. Let me pop over and show the YouTube the Discord. What's popping over here? Look at this. Joey just hit this 100%. One contract, 100%. Ryan, 5,700. What'd you say, buddy?
Cycles are changing now, guys. Demand is strong. This is strong demand. They did blow past the VWAP in the 200. They might want to backtest it. This is 50% from top of day and bottom of day. We just rejected again 50%.
I'm going to get 59.95 puts on my screen. Waiting.
Remember, guys, there's a lot of calls in the money for OPEX Friday. They could do some damage today. Play dirty games.
I don't like we're in the middle now. Back to the middle.
Yeah, this is literally 50%.
I do like this higher low that they just put in. Imagine if they smoked the top now and headed straight back up.
Yeah, cycles are changing now.
Give us some time. Premiums are still not moving good for me. I might stay with SPY, honestly, dude. I don't think SPX is the move right now. We'll see.
Yeah, I think you made enough with SPX yesterday.
Yeah, I just wanted to catch. I wanted to catch some fun cycles on SPX, but the problem I'm having right now is the contracts still need to get shredded at least by 30-40%. So at the money contracts, they're close to $20 still. They should be like 13.
This is the back test of everything, guys. POC, 200 and VWAP. I'm in put.
It's a dangerous game here in the middle if they flipped it, though. I'm still going to wait.
Holy shit.
If they waterfall down, I might jump and chase.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm jumping on the
Print
party.
Factory, baby.
I'm jumping on the party.
Oh my god, what a fucking entry.
I'm jumping on the party. Look at the big
you're in SPX.
gap down candle on freaking QQQ. Yeah, I'm holding this one candle and then I'm out. One candle and I'm out. About to hit sell. Boom, 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 boom. One more candle. One more push. I'm out. 32.50.
Job.
25 contracts. I was in at 209.03 timestamp, out at 209.25, 1330 to 1460 on my contracts right there. I will post my fills for YouTube Live. That is it.
Very impressive.
Simple.
I want PCP. Simple. I only have 25 contracts. I'm very light.
I only hit 25 on that PCP as well. I was too scared to hit size right now on SPX. I just want to chase. I'll chase momentum on SPX. That's it. Nothing crazy. Just in and out, in and out.
Can we get PCP?
I don't like how QQQ is still trying to find demand here. So, what time is it? We still have 20 minutes until Powell starts yapping. Woo!
I literally top ticked this shit right at VWAP.
Yeah, that was good. I had to wait for them to go first before I jumped in because I didn't want them to explode past VWAP. That was my only problem.
Holding,
buddy, if they take out this 205 candle, it's gonna be a good possibility we're gonna shoot back down to previous close.
That's what I'm waiting for.
But QQQ is trying to look for demand. That's what I don't like. I don't want to be greedy. Just give it time. A trade, a opportunity will present itself sooner than later. I couldn't hit that volatile candle. It was too volatile for me to jump in.
They are showing higher support, guys. Sloping support is created. Sloping support, higher support. Sloping support. This is bullish temporarily. Break even here. I'm very light sized though, so I'll hold. Literally in the 50% still. Wow, dirty games today, guys. Dirty games.
What's going on, YouTube?
Slaughtering all premiums.
If you guys, anybody that's listening on YouTube, if you guys got questions, shoot away. I am just waiting. I'm waiting for some. At least I want us to get out of the middle. So, ask away.
Literally to the T in the middle today. I'm still holding. I have such light size that I could afford to hold.
Also, disclaimer, YouTube, we're trading fast scalps and it's very lagged. It's probably at least a minute behind, so I don't recommend following any of our plays. This is for
No, it can't be a minute. It's probably like 10 seconds behind.
Joey said it was like a minute, so I don't want anybody that's just watching on YouTube to try to follow us because they'll get freaking steamrolled. Especially if I'm trading.
Joey's probably using AOL dial-up.
Joey, you on that AOL dial-up, dog? Is Friday a half day? That's a good question. I don't know. I don't think so.
No, it's full day.
I think Juneteenth is just one bank holiday. That's it.
Yeah.
Adam, don't get me fired up, man. Fucking Juneteenth bullshit. Ridiculous. The bank's got to get the day off. He's on the Temu YouTube. Of course, Dan. You don't need to thank me, brother. We do this shit for you guys. I don't know what the hell I'd be doing otherwise. Probably going to the gym.
You'd be blowing oysters.
Oyster baby.
Come on, can we please have a nice dump? Nope. Marcus not giving me a dump.
So here's my issue, Dimitri, and this is my discovery, and you can take your own opinion, whatever. Bulls got paid this morning, and then they crushed all afternoon. They had the final push south. All the bulls got out. The Bears, from the top today, barely made money from the IV crush. And whatever Bears hung on and didn't take profit probably got stopped out on this 2 o'clock candle here. And now...
Yeah, but
now we're back to the middle.
The Bears are all slaughtered.
Correct.
At 9:30 to 9:40, all the Bears are slaughtered still.
Correct, but
they could go lower, and the Bears still won't get paid.
So the freshest
Just
amount
the fresh bulls got slaughtered.
the freshest amount of people right now were pinned to the middle. So if you took the top,
fresh bulls are fucked.
Yeah, if you took the top or bottom, you're most likely just burned right now because of this meat grinder that we're probably going to have for a little bit until 2:30. And then once Powell starts answering questions, I think we'll get another spike. But as of right now, dude, I'm not really...
Oh, shit, A-Team, it's your birthday.
I'm not really...
A-Team's birthday is on Juneteenth. Yo, that's sick. Yo, enjoy your day, buddy. I hope you didn't trade. I think you made like $1,000. Sick, man. Enjoy it.
That's awesome, A-Team. They made Juneteenth your birthday on purpose. That's what it really was. Let's stick with that, all right?
That's awesome.
You can't trade all my accounts maxed out. What does that mean, Joey? What was the hot mic one, Adam? Which one? Did we say something stupid? Because I'm not surprised if we did.
What did I say? That was stupid. Sorry.
We say stupid stuff all day.
I,
He was talking about how big of a dump he wanted. Yeah. Yeah. That's Dimitri, buddy. Heard him spray painting and everything. I told you, Adam, I needed to get the whole west wing of my house fumigated. Throw the mattress out. Rip the rug out.
oh, buddy, it's not that bad. Stop.
Get a new toilet put in. Have them block off that whole side of the house and just fumigate everything.
Look at the dirty games they're playing. 50% retracement still. They're just fucking burning today.
Oh, they're pinned. They're in the
Eject
middle.
the premium so high.
Yeah. SPX is still...
5 minutes are bullshit, guys.
SPX premiums are still a mess. They still got time. There's going to be fireworks again at 2:30. So
I agree.
Let's wait. Let's wait. Let them crush. Let them break these premiums down. Dude. We'll make more money when they're cheaper. Pushing VWAP now. QQQ. If QQQ pushes VWAP, we could get a nice little push north. But we have POC. POC. Where's POC on QQQ? At the top. Give it some time. Are you up good on the day, D?
$9,660.
Nice. Very nice.
I'm break even on this position. I have 25 contracts. Break even right now.
Problem is, dude,
Little red,
they're starting this meat grinder bullshit now. So, actually, have you looked at?
No, I have Wednesday's expiration. I have next Wednesday.
Have you looked at the ratio?
I'm deep in the money. I have 601 next Wednesday.
Oh wow.
Deep.
2.4 million calls, 3 million puts.
It's a shit ton of puts, man. I'm deep in the money. My delta is very high right now. We're at 599. I have 601 puts. Boom, boom, boom. Sloping support. Oh my god, if this sloping support breaks, guys, it's PCP right away. They could do it fast. This is like a nice head and shoulders, I think, structure that's forming. And let's break this demand. 598.50. Let's break demand. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Still holding. It's such light size. I'll just hold till PCP if we get there. This is just fun coupons already. Another higher support candle. Nope. Bears are in control, guys. Bears are strong. They try to form higher support. Wick green. Bears are in control. But look at the conditions. It's flat. MACD is hugging and kissing. Volume is dried up. There's no volume.
They're burning. Let them. They're gonna burn.
They're just burning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let them burn. Dude, I can't believe that freaking call play you got from the bottom there. That was a nice move.
Took me, thank you. It took me an hour. Literally, I was just patiently waiting, just watching Meet Kevin's live and
Yeah.
just waiting and waiting and waiting.
Let me switch over. Is anything happening yet? No. Nothing yet.
I think conference is at 2:30, right? And then Q&A.
Yeah. I can live stream it on here if you want, but it's up to you guys. It's gonna just be a whole bunch of nonsense. Usually the Q&As is when we really get some price action if people say some stupid shit or put some pressure on them, ask them some difficult questions. But bears are here. Bears are definitely here.
There's right here, guys. If we break the sloping support, guys, it's going straight to PCP. I'm still holding my light size. I'm not gonna go any more heavy, honestly. I'm pretty satiated on the day. Bears are here, guys. Bears are here. Conditions are changing. Conditions are rolling over.
Doom, whoever's watching our live stream is funny. He just said, y'all fuck with a bidet.
What did he say?
I got bidets in my house, Doom. I swear by those.
Hell yeah, I like it. Especially it's like nice and warm.
Prefer boiling water. My bidet sprays out Monster Energy.
Come on. I should sell, honestly. I have nice profit here, but I'm holding. I should sell. Come on, slice. Slice. Look at MACD, guys. Look at that MACD. Slice. 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 Ugh, higher support. Can you imagine they just pinned this sucker to 50% all day? All the fucking premium is just slaughtered. I think they did that before. Everybody was expecting a big move. They strangled.
Yeah, and then they just keep compressing into a wedge.
Yeah, I can imagine they do that. And then big move happening on like Friday or Monday. Let the market digest the news, but you never know. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh my God, if this breaks, guys, I'm still in. I'm still in. Printing right now, guys. I usually don't hold this long, but it's light size.
Oh, you don't?
Boom, boom, boom.
Adam, he doesn't usually
Strong
hold
demand,
this long.
guys. Strong demand.
Oh, fuck, dude. I love Adam.
Sloping support bounce.
Did you see what Adam said,
Should have
Dimitri?
sold. Yeah. All I see is the heart. I don't see anything else.
Yeah, of course. Blind. I usually don't hold this long. I got into puts today at 9:31. Just sold at 1:30.
Oh, I don't hold winning positions, I mean.
Look at the sloping support we're building on the 1 minute. Be careful. Some beautiful.
We just bounced off of it.
Yeah, beautiful sloping support building on the 1 minute. QQQs looks a little sloppy though. I say top of channel is like 599 60s, 70s, and then sloping support. So we could compress potentially all the way out until 2:30. 5 more minutes and just keep compressing into this channel. If they flip this area, 599 70s, and bull step in, same thing on QQQ. If they flip VWAP, they could have another push north. So I just want them to continue doing cycles and just shred premiums for a little bit longer until Powell starts talking, and then I'll look for another trade. I want some type of drama, overreaction, something. Premiums are starting to get a little bit better, though, at least on the SPX. At the money is now $13. That's more realistic. They were like $20 at 150 before the rate decision announcement. So even if you've been holding this whole entire time and you had the right side of it, your premium's already lost 50% almost. That is why when I do the SPX class, it's important to just jump in, jump out. And if you're wrong, you have to sell. There's no such thing as holding. You will lose on SPX same days.
Look at the conditions, guys, in the 1 minute. Look at the conditions. It's telling me that they want to dump. They want to dump. I should have added at the top. I just don't want to trade that much anymore. I'm just very happy.
I'm going to wait.
This is a fun.
We got 2 minutes and Powell's going to come out, so I'm going to wait.
If they want to go north, they show south first, guys. If they want to go north, south, they show north. So it's always fucking inverse with the market makers. Still at the 50% retracement. This is ridiculous. Dirty games.
I want to have another good day.
There's a strong.
I want to have another good day like yesterday, today. But I don't want to push it.
Please be careful.
No, it's
Yeah,
these aren't the conditions for that. The cycles are too small and premiums are still too expensive. It's not the correct conditions. If we went back up to the top again and then came back down, then contracts would be so destroyed. Then it would be party time if they start doing cycles. But we're pretty much pinned in the middle. We're still pinned. Anything else going ballistic right now?
My P&L is going ballistic right now.
Everything looks pretty flat. Sideways bullish. CRCL. I'll look at that in a second. We got less than a minute until 2:30, so let's see. Let's see what this guy's got to say today. Do you want me to stream him on here or no? Or you don't want to listen to him? It's up to you guys.
If you could stream him, put it very soft volume, very soft spoken, if you can.
All right. I'll put him down in the corner.
Possible.
I'll put his ass in the corner.
Lower the volume.
The problem is I only have 3 monitors. So if I have my brokerage, my chart, my Discord, and the stream going, I'm not going to be able to trade.
So then don't stream him. I'm gonna stream him then. I wanna listen.
Oh, I'm listening to him
YouTube.
still. I could put him in. He just came to the podium. Let's see. Here we go. Good morning.
Good afternoon. My colleagues and I remain squarely focused on achieving our dual mandate goals of maximum employment and stable prices for the benefit of the American people. Despite elevated...
Monday.com is the best AI for work. And here's why. Let me show you some of the mind-blowing things thousands of companies are already doing with Monday.com's AI. If you're in marketing, sending bulk emails used to take hours. Now, AI summarizes, translates, personalizes.
Objective.
Fucking, of course I get a commercial as soon as he starts talking.
More to say about monetary policy after briefly reviewing economic developments. Following growth of 2.5% last year, GDP was reported to have edged down in the first quarter, reflecting swings in net exports that were driven by businesses bringing in imports ahead of potential
I'm not going to stream him. I can hear yours, Dimitri.
This unusual swing has complicated
Yes, sir.
private domestic final purchases, or PDFP, as we call them, which excludes net exports, inventory investment, and
Oh, Ram, I'm only down $600 here, buddy.
2%. Within PDFP,
25 contracts, sir.
investment in equipment and intangibles rebounded from weakness in the fourth quarter. Surveys of households and businesses, however, report a decline in sentiment over recent months and elevated uncertainty about the economic outlook.
Wow. He's talking about uncertainty too much.
Market doesn't like uncertainty.
How these developments
No, they don't.
But we're flipping
But they
VWAP.
could show north before they go south, guys.
They're trying to flip VWAP, QQQ, some bulls stepping in QQQ.
is somewhat slower than projected. In the labor market, conditions have remained solid.
Bulls are stepping in.
Payroll job gains
See how far they want to push.
1,000 per month.
Yep.
Unemployment rate at 4.2% remains low.
I'm going to get 6,000 puts on my screen. I am not in. I'm waiting to see if QQQ flips VWAP and they take a power move north, and then I'll maybe try to jump in a wick if they get a strong rejection. So I'm just chilling out right now. Let's see.
The labor market is not a source of significant inflation.
Let them go. Let's see how far they go.
S&P is 4.5% at the end of this year.
Pre-market highs.
A bit higher than projected.
Break of structure.
Inflation had eased.
Actually, going to change my strike to 6,005 now. Now that we're pushing.
2% longer. Estimates based on the consumer price index and other data indicate that total PCE prices rose 2.3%.
This is strong supply, guys. If we break the supply, we're going to test the high of day.
Rose 2.6%.
Bulls are lining up nicely.
Inflation expectations have moved up.
Higher support. Helping support.
Yeah.
Bulls are lining up.
Yes, they are. Let's see how far they go. I want a big, beautiful, big wick on top of a body and a rejection.
Most measures of
As if we continue to keep pushing up, I'll just keep changing my strike. I'm not really interested of going out the money on this. I want to find something close to the money.
inflation falls to 2.4% in 2026 and 2.1% in 2027. Monetary policy actions are guided by our dual mandate to promote maximum employment and stable prices for the American people. At today's meeting, the committee decided to maintain the target range for the federal funds rate at 4.25% to 4.5%, and to continue reducing the size of our balance sheet. We'll continue to
Reducing the size of their balance sheet, meaning that they're pumping the money back into the stock market.
changes to trade, immigration, fiscal, and regulatory policies continue to
This is a break of structure level, guys. We're right at break of structure level. A little bit higher.
effects of tariffs will depend, among other
Oh,
This is a good short.
he said tariff. He said tariff.
economic effects reached
This is a good short, guys. I just added.
You're still in?
increases in
Wild.
likely to
At 35 contracts now.
Oh, you're late. Ooh, I'm chasing this.
Boom, boom, boom.
Oh, I'm chasing this.
Beautiful short, guys.
Fuck, did I get in? I don't think I got in early. Oh, no, I'm good. I'm good. We're good. Print factory.
Look at that. Look at that.
Print factory.
Best short ever, guys.
Print
Best short
factory.
ever, guys.
Boom, 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 boom.
Best short ever.
25 contracts, guys. Wait until you see this fucking fill. Holy shit. 25 SPX I'm about to sell. I am about to hit the sell button. I am out 10,500 SPX, 25 contracts.
Holy shit.
Let's go, Joyce. Let's fucking go, Joyce. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You pounced like a cheetah.
Wow. You
You
fucking
pounced.
killed it,
You
man.
pounced
Good job.
like a cheetah. Pounds like a cheetah. $13 in, $16 out. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. I chased that candle too, dude. Chase that candle. Momentum, momentum. Wow, that was great.
Sloping support still intact, guys. They did not break sloping support. That was strong sloping support. But this is not the real sloping support. I like 2 red wicks connected. So I think this sloping support is eventually going to break, honestly. I don't like this real sloping support. Looking like a fucking
Dude,
honestly.
they just went to sloping support to the T. They touched it to
I know,
the T.
yeah, but I don't like the sloping support. I don't like this. They're just showing sloping support. They're gonna break down right now. Look at this. He just said uncertainty is unusual. Literally, wow.
If they break sloping
We're gonna break
support
down, guys.
and they head for 598, the 133 low bounce zone there, good chance the floor gets taken out. That's what I'm thinking. But they got to crack 598.80s first, take out the sloping support, and I want to see them go fast. If they go fast, I'll get back in. But that was a beautiful rejection. Dimitri, what'd you catch on that?
$650. I was very light. 35 contracts.
Why don't you move over to
I'm not.
SPX?
Dude, I'm done, dude. I'm fucking up disgusting money this week, buddy. I'm good.
I'm only trading
Buddy, I
20
can buy another car.
I'm only trading 25 SPX.
I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm just entertaining myself. I'm only gonna play tops and bottoms of channels now, like low of day and high of day now.
Look where we're back.
chilling.
We're back to the middle now again. Just burn. Wait for an overreaction. Jump on it and then just get in and get out. That's it. Now we're back to the middle burning. I have a
Oh,
feeling.
look at this 5-minute candle.
I have a feeling we close the day out, close of business like this bullshit, Dimitri. Like we keep getting these pretty crazy spikes and then they come back to the middle and trap. Or if they break down lower, they come back to the middle.
I agree.
This is how they're going to burn the most amount of people because they're not going far. They're going fast, but they're not going far. Let's see. Here's another.
Bullish. I don't think this supply is gonna work the second time, guys. So they might break this time now, guys. They might break because sloping support is forming.
Are these questions?
Or touch points.
Could you
sloping support.
Can you turn up the volume a little bit? Are these questions now? People asking questions. I got the same contracts on my screen. 6,050.
Down toward levels that are consistent with 2% inflation. So that's the good.
Let's see if they take out this. Let's see if they take out this 234 candle or not. Close above. Bulls are here. QQQ's back above you.
I think they will higher support.
It takes some time for tariffs to work their way through the chain of distribution to the end consumer. A good example of that would be goods being sold at retailers today may have been imported several months ago before tariffs were imposed.
Let's fucking go, Joey.
This wedge is gonna break one way or another.
Let's fucking go, Joey. Great fucking
We're in
work,
a wedge,
man.
guys.
What are you up today? 100, 60, 30, 50. Amazing, dude. 1,500 on this other
That's crazy.
account. Good fucking job, dude.
A range of things.
Good job. Good job, buddy.
Many companies do expect
Proud of your ass.
to put some or all of the effective tariffs through to the next person in the chain.
I got puts on my screen again. I just want to see if they blow the lid off this sucker now. Or they respect
Tariff effects, the size
and
of
dump.
the tariff effect, the time it will take, they're all highly uncertain. So that is why we think the appropriate thing to do is to hold where we are as we learn more.
I entered very light again. Super light. 25 contracts.
I need to see the drama candle and then I chase it. I can't go early. I have to wait for the drama candle. I've been going early past week and it treats me terribly. Because look at this bounce we just got off of VWAP POC. This could be strong support here at 599.60s and they can continue north. That's the shit that scares me.
Look at the forecast. You generally expect inflation to move up.
This is the top of the wedge, guys. If they break this, we're gonna fucking go.
Oh, you said inflation.
Top of the wedge is here.
Inflation's gonna move up.
One-time increase, and inflation doesn't turn into an inflation problem. And that again, that will depend on the size of the effects, how long it takes for them to come in, and ultimately on keeping inflation expectations anchored.
See if they break out from here or not.
Hi, and thanks, Chair Howard Schneider with Reuters. If you look at the rate path starting in December,
Squeeze is here bullish. MACD's pointing north. We got sloping support, VWAP support. We should go higher. I'm not chasing calls on this move though.
This is a break of structure, guys.
I'm not chasing calls here.
Break of
But
structure here.
we should go north. 601.
Oh yeah.
601.
The reassessments of rate are short.
Bulls are stepping in.
Why do you want a slower cut?
Bulls are stepping in.
Wow, I'm down 1,500 on
If you get out to the
25 contracts, down 1,500. Wow.
I got 6,010 puts on my screen. I'm just waiting to see if we get crazy supply again at 601, somewhere in that area. Waited for a strong rejection.
probably slow moving. So what's happening here since March? This is since March.
It's a dangerous game because if they take out the highs, they can launch. They can go. So every single bear is looking at the double top from earlier this morning. 1045 double top, 60120s. They either hit the reverse gear before it or play around supply, act like it's supply, and hit the gas and go north fast. So that's what we're gonna wait.
And then since then,
It's gonna be my last trade,
we have actually moved back.
depending on what happens. If they hang out at the top, I'm not interested in shorting.
Where he starts talking of individual assessments.
You say in the statement that risks have diminished on that front, but the July 9th, drop dead date for all the deliberation.
We just hit the top channel, guys. The one that we rejected at 2 o'clock.
Exchange of missiles between two.
We just hit the top channel again.
Saying that risks have diminished.
So what we said was that uncertainty uncertainty about the economic outlook has diminished but remains elevated. Many surveys say that they do. So and that's actually a line from the Teal book, which you can see in 5 years.
I just added.
Fuck, dude. I kind of want to go long if we pull back to 600.
I mean, if this level is support, then we're gonna go.
That's really what that's just.
I want to wait for a double top. That's the best area for me is double top. Because if I go long off of 600 and they go back to the middle, I'll get trapped. So best area for me is to wait for 601, 60120s.
More immediately, inflation has continued to cool and is back at roughly 2%.
43 seconds left until the 5-minute candle closes.
Cracks in the job market.
We could do a break of structure here or not.
Concentrated in
They're fighting. They want to do it.
Receiving some housing data, including this morning, that have been pretty weak. Do you see any concerns that the economy is weakening and that is a reason to cut rates going forward?
So we do of course monitor all those things. I think if you look at the overall picture, what you're seeing is 4.2% unemployment and an economy that's growing at a rate hard to know given the unusual flow order, but it appears to be 1.5%, 2%, maybe a little better than that. Sentiment has come up off of its very low levels.
Trap
It's
coming
still,
in. Let's
it's
see.
still depressed.
Let's see.
You can point. The housing market is a longer run problem and also a short run problem. I don't think it's
600 is crucial.
There's a run shortage of housing. And
I
rates
missed this
right now,
move.
I think
I didn't
the best
jump in
thing we
this.
can do is
I'm
restore
gonna
price
try
stability
chasing
in a
it if they go.
That's the best thing we can do for the housing market. You asked about
They did close above break of structure on the 5-minute, and look at the reversal.
again.
But
Dirty games.
Look at QQQs trying to hold view up. I'm gonna chase puts if they go from here though, because they'll go straight back to probably the sloping support. I'm in. Let's see. Extremely late.
but you know, we
I'm
watch
just taking this down just from
They're
the,
gonna break sloping support this time.
just from
They're
the
gonna
selling
break it.
pressure. I just want to take the selling pressure down south a little bit, and then I'm going to start trimming. I'm trimming. All right, 2,500 here. I'm down to 15 contracts now. I'm about to hit all out.
Tariffs.
I don't like this area here. This is a scary area. Bounce zone. All out.
Inflation.
All out.
Do you see odds of that scenario? What kind of odds do you
1330
see
to
that scenario?
1610 was highest fill and $14.
Maybe
That's impressive.
Scenario is taking place.
So this is very much the conversation we had today and yesterday. There are many
Sloping
different
support,
scenarios,
I
many
think, should
combinations
touch.
of
That would be
scenarios.
best case scenario. Sloping support.
Move out.
1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth time it's gonna break if it touches the fifth time.
And I think what you see people doing is looking ahead at a time of very high uncertainty
Okay.
and writing
I'm
down
chilling
what they
out
think
now.
the most case is.
This is my last trade here.
These rate
245, 27
Great deal of
in,
conviction.
246, 1 minute trade, 1330 to $16.
you can make a case for any of the rate paths. I think that you see
15.7 on SPX,
and, you know, we do
2,800 on SPY today.
this particularly at this time, but it does reflect. You know, if you see somebody writing down, a rate path that involves, that's them saying, yes, I think we will get to a place more likely than not where cuts will be appropriate.
Strong demand at
It
VWAP
could
in the
be
middle.
probably.
There's strong demand there still.
Again, remember how much.
Thank you. Mr. Chair, I wonder if you could describe for us some of those scenarios. How do you get to a place, noticing that the uncertainty levels in your forecast are very high? How do you get to a place where you have the confidence in the outlook for, say, inflation and or growth or the unemployment rate? How many months does it take, and what do you want to see in the data to get to that level of confidence to actually reduce rates?
Your guide to taking the
So it's very, very hard to say when that will happen. We know that the time will come. It could come quickly. It could not come quickly. As long as
That's uncertainty.
Yeah.
we have and reasonably.
That's crazy uncertainty. Powell doesn't know what the fuck he's talking about right now. He's uncertain like crazy, guys. He's bearish as hell, guys. Powell is uncertain.
No, if you mute yours, I just shut my broker off so I can put him up now.
Moving down, we feel like the right thing to do is to be where we are, where our policy stance is, and just learn more. And in particular,
You don't have to mute it.
we feel like
Just,
going
I'll put it up on the
retail
stream.
over the summer on tariffs. We hadn't expected them to show up much by now, and they haven't. And we will see whether to the extent to which they do over the coming months. And I think that's going to inform.
He's very uncertain right now, Powell.
For one thing. In addition, we'll see how the labor market progresses. So at some point it will become clear. I can't tell you exactly when that will be. And meanwhile, we'll be watching the labor market very carefully for signs of weakness and strength. And tariffs for signs of what's going to happen. Right? Of course, there are many.
He doesn't know. He doesn't even know. It's just like he's going around in circles when he gets asked these questions.
Know with confidence where they will settle out. We have an estimate, and it's a pretty. I think all estimates are now pretty.
I think eventually they're gonna test low of day, guys. I'm telling you, they're gonna test low of day eventually.
Estimate of the impact.
They're gonna take the fucking market down today.
BCE, is that what it is?
Yeah, what you start with is what's the effective tariff rate overall, and people are.
Look at his structure.
I don't know why they're talking so much about tariffs. It's more important about our fucking rates. Hold on, I'll be right back.
Inflation is a whole process that's very uncertain. As you know, there are many parties in that chain. There's the manufacturer, the exporter, the importer, the retailer, and the consumer. And each one of those is going to be trying not to be the one to pay for the tariff. But together they will all pay for it together, or maybe one party will pay it all. But that process is very hard to predict. And we haven't been through a situation like this. And I think we have to
Boom, boom, printing, baby, printing. They're gonna take the sucker down.
To make better decisions, we'd like to get some more data. And again, in the meantime, we can do that because the economy remains in solid condition.
He said to make better decisions, we need more data. They've been fucking this economy up for how many years now?
Chair Powell, I guess I'm wondering if you could explain a little more the divergence we see.
They're gonna dump, guys.
This is sloping support to the T again.
I realize this is
Sloping support just touched to the T.
that are putting down no cuts, another that are putting down more than one. And again, recognizing that could be difficult to summarize, but is it a matter of people having a different outlook?
I'm not interested in longs. That trade.
There they go. They just broke it.
I'm interested in a major dump. Major dump today, guys. Major dump.
They just broke.
Why would you go long, buddy?
Let's see. Let's see if they get continuation here.
We have a pretty healthy diversity of views on the committee. We did have strong support for today's decision and broad agreement that our policy stance.
Tech trades, this is like the last line of defense right here, 598.80s. If they close below this, we're going to go double bottom, 598. And then previous closes right there, I could imagine that they would just do the flush the toilet at that point. But we're still trying to hold the sloping support. They're still trying to hold this sloping support. So it seems like the magnet is in the middle right now. They want to spend time around VWAP, POC, the 50 on the 1 minute, just stay in the middle and just keep burning. Yep. That's where the magnet is right now.
Smaller because we'll have seen actual data. Right now it's just a forecast in a very far time. So that's the first part, is forecast. Secondly, people can look at the same data and they can evaluate the risks differently, as you know. And that includes, the risk of higher inflation, the risk of it being more persistent, the risk of the labor market will weaken. People are going to have different assessments of that risk. So you put that in there too. So those are the two ways the two things I think that drive these things. Remember though, as I mentioned earlier, with uncertainty as elevated as it is, no one holds these rate paths with a lot of conviction. So that's really where it is. It's a function of those things. And I think as the data come in, you should see those differences diminish.
You said that policy is in a good place and that it's modestly restrictive. Given all the uncertainties you talked about, tariff levels, uncertainty on pass-throughs.
A lot of uncertainty right now, guys. A lot of uncertainty.
Some of the softness that Chris talked about.
Anything else? Are you tracking anything else?
Wouldn't it be better
Let's see.
to have rates that are more neutral?
We're tracking the VIX right now. VIX is bullish. VIX is bullish. 30-minute candle looking sexy on the VIX right now.
Oh, VIX is about to break sloping resistance, break
That's
out.
what you would say, but that's not.
We're printing right now, guys. Printing right now.
Every forecaster, every outside forecaster, and the Fed is saying is that we expect a meaningful
Come on, low update.
amount of inflation to arrive in coming months. And we have to take that into account. So I think a backward-looking look would lead you to a neutral stance, but we can't. We have to look at that and the economy is still solid.
AirPods about to die. Hold on.
Actually see what's going to happen.
This is crazy, crazy bearish, guys. Crazy bearish, guys. Crazy bearish, guys. I'm still in.
Party time now for you. Oh, what'd I do?
So we'll make smarter and better decisions if we just wait a couple of months or however long it takes to get a sense of
There you go.
what's going to be passed through.
Wow.
598.04. That's the trim zone.
All those things.
Go lower, go lower, go lower. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Baby.
Your friend down at 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue continues to lob insults in your direction, and I'm wondering, given how
He's talking about Trump insulting him.
from some of the legal implications of that, whether
Baby, anyone on the dump?
the markets and everybody should
Take the elevator, baby, take the escalator. Drop, baby.
whether you worry that it could lead to more pressure on confidence on Wall Street, on consumers.
Oh, they're talking about Wall Street now.
Oh, whatever.
Confidence.
Super bearish.
From my standpoint, it's not complicated. What everyone on the FOMC
All these freaking ads, man.
Come on.
Fuck you, YouTube.
and to be able to respond in a timely way as the data releases around.
You gotta pay for YouTube Premium, bro.
And part of that is our stance. And again, we think
this is a higher low.
to respond to significant economic elements. That's what matters.
Everybody thinking this is a higher low, guys.
Pretty much that's all.
Everybody's getting excited. They got compressed here for a little bit for a higher low possibility. They're gonna fucking tank this shit right
This
now.
is dangerous game to go long off of this
I'm
tech.
thinking about this.
If you're looking for a long, this is dangerous. This is dangerous because previous close is right below us.
Thanks, Mr. Chairman.
QQQ heading south.
I guess with workplace raids increasing,
You're gonna blow up, guys, if you go long today. They're gonna take this thing to the abyss today. Abyss.
workplace raids.
Woohoo! I got trimmed. I just trimmed.
I wouldn't want to speculate.
I'm holding 10 contracts.
One way to get at that from an economic standpoint, of course,
This is
don't
crazy bearish.
make a comment on
This is the bounce zone.
what you see is
See if they do dead cat here.
Crazy,
really
crazy.
solid. And
I'm going to sell everything at PTP.
not really increasing. It's been in a good range and well
Oh,
within range of mainstream estimates.
My Paul, just fucking
And
go with them.
like
Go down, go with them.
demand and labor supply
Let's go, 18.
kind of moving down at the same rate. Labor
592, baby.
you see that as job creation.
15.
Let's get that. Go, go,
Labor
go.
supply is
Print factor, baby.
Previous close. If they take previous close out, forget about it.
There you go, baby. I'm all out.
QQQ just
I'm all out,
cracked.
guys. 100% cash.
QQQ just cracked previous close. Good job, Dimitri.
employment rate in a reasonably
Thank you, sir.
Good job.
Thank you, sir. All we do is print, no matter what.
Nice work, buddy.
That's it, guys. I'm done. Ridiculous fucking week, guys. Ridiculous.
Show YouTube that post.
framework review really has
Look at this 18, 15, 92. Another 500 on that short.
is our policy
Demetrius,
that
12
is
2.
reflected in the consensus statement. And we've said
Ridiculous.
West Side Trader, let's go, buddy. 11.5 on the day. Another 10%.
along that process.
That's it. Leave it alone now, guys. Leave it
You
alone.
guys are printing.
What they do. Who cares?
No, today was a good day. Today was definitely a day of patience, though. I could tell you that. Look at that.
Yeah.
They just cracked. That's it. Bye-bye. All the bulls are fucking smoked now.
This is a strong demand, guys. This is a strong demand, guys. If they break this demand, it's 595 fast.
Every bull is,
This is a
every
strong
bull is
demand,
freaking
guys.
out right now.
This is super strong demand, guys. Super strong demand here. This is very strong demand, guys.
Every single bull.
Super strong demand. Oh my god, if they slice this, guys, it's a $2 empty pocket.
Oh, Reddy's here. What's up, Reddy? I didn't even see you, man. Come back in, dude. Miss you, brother.
Strong demand here, guys.
Yeah, Ricky, I know. I'm sorry. Dimitri is trying to listen as well, and then I was trying to stream it for YouTube. So I'm sorry if they were.
Ooh, guys, they want to break the board. They want to break the man. Oh my god, guys. Empty pocket, guys. Empty pocket here.
Dimitri, can you shut your?
Put.
Can you please shut your FOMC off so I can just have mine going? Because it's
Guys,
two people hear it.
Super strong, bro.
Do you hear me, Dimitri?
Guys, they're going.
Dimitri, you hear me?
Oh my god, they just broke 597. Yeah, I hear you, buddy. What do you want?
I need you to shut off your.
Fucking print another.
I need you to shut off your YouTube FOMC bullshit so I can just stream mine. Because people are saying that they're hearing too. It sounds like shit. Okay.
The forecast for
I did
inflation
that.
in
Sorry.
No, you're good.
2.5 core PCE.
Look at rejection, previous close rejection. Oh boy. Bulls are scared now.
They're gonna dump. They're gonna dump, guys.
This was long before we had any.
Every
They're
single
gonna
bull.
dump like no tomorrow, guys.
Every single bull probably freaking doubled down at previous close. And now we just rejected it and we're below it.
They're gonna dump like crazy, guys. 597 cracks, guys. It's 595.
Well-resourced forecasting operations. So what we learned, and particularly in April, was that
Last week's lows, guys. Last week's lows. 595.50.
would mean higher inflation. That's what happened.
Crazy bearish, guys.
You saw 2.5% forecast in December. You saw 2.8% in March, and you see 3.1% now. So it's 6/10 higher inflation for 2025, and that's a big part of the change, and that's due to the effects of the tariffs that are, we don't know where they're going
I got small size next Wednesday, guys.
higher than outside forecasters were really guessing at the end of last year.
My vote to that.
Printing like crazy, guys.
Last
week's lows price target.
Car loans, small businesses want to
We gotta lose this. We gotta lose 597. This is super strong.
Over the past 5 years, prices have risen over 20%. It's been a rough road. So what is the tipping point then for the wait and see approach in terms of how much
The whole market is about to be guacamole right now.
Now, guacamole.
Well, we're trying to restore price. The best thing we can do for the public that we serve is restore price stability. If we can, and we will, restore price stability, meaning 2% inflation on a durable, sustainable basis,
Yep. Last week's close, guys. That's the price
If
target.
we restore those things, that's the best thing, and that is our goal. The best thing we can do for the American people. For
Purple line, baby. Hit my purple line.
that is the
Oh,
ultimate
yeah.
thing we can
Oh,
do.
yeah.
Bulls are hanging on by a thread, man. If they break, they're gonna go.
Inflation all the time. So in the meantime, we have to keep
Purple line, baby. 595.50, guys. 595.50.
They're not very high. Let's be honest.
Keep going.
I would say
Be careful with power bounce.
You guys wanted calls?
Be careful for the power bounce, though.
It's not performing as though we're performing under very strict monetary policy, very restrictive monetary.
Okay, I'm done with Powell. I'm done listening to this guy. Nobody wants to listen to him anymore.
597 is super strong, guys. Oh my god, I'm still in. Full size. Go, go, go. This is crazy, crazy, guys. This is a strong selling algo, guys.
Look at the Bears. Bears have power. Bulls are spooked. They're rejecting previous close. If they take a power push above previous close, it
597
might
is
be.
super strong.
Yeah, I like after hours from yesterday's demand though. 596 area.
I just added. Come on, come on. Let's just fucking dumperoo.
What are you in now? You're in puts again? You bought puts at the low a
Yeah,
day?
I have 60 contracts.
At the low a day?
No, I'm green. I got.
Oh, okay.
I'm green on them. I
Oh,
just
all right,
added.
all
I'm
right.
adding at every fucking pump. 10 contracts I added. 10 contracts. I'm adding at every pump.
QQQ, Bulls are trying to step in QQQ. If they flip previous close,
They
watch
are.
out for the push. It's going to be a fast one. If they flip this right here. I am not participating. This is penalty corner.
I just added.
Choi Choi knows what that is.
I don't have same day, so that's why I could hold. Damn, I should have sold at that dump. I was up like 3K.
Be careful if they flip previous close. QQQ still looking weak.
Yes, sir.
MACD is
Wow, look at this
trying
5-minute
to
candle, guys.
curl.
5-minute candle.
MACD is trying to curl.
Yep,
Power's,
5-minute candle is super bullish, guys.
power's
Damn.
trying to come in. They got room to 598.80s in my opinion if they go. They got to smoke by this 598 floor though first. There's not much there. And then 598.80s is probably price target if they push. I am not participating. We're too bearish. This will be a trap if they go north fast. And they'll do just like I said, they're going to close it back in the middle today. So got about an hour left market.
Momentum is very bearish, though, Ryan. It's going to take time. Momentum is very bearish.
Yeah. But dude, freaking Bulls got
It's going to
smoked.
take time.
Bears got the most amount of money right now. I could see them heading back to 598.80s if they try to
Oh,
trap.
buddy, if VIX closes above $21 right now, it's going to break out. VIX is that strong supply. That's why VIX.
VIX is like sloping resistance breakout potential.
Yeah. VIX could break the fuck out right now.
I don't know. QQQ's got some power stepping in, so be careful.
Super bullish 5-minute candle, guys. Very bullish 5-minute candle. Calls.
Yeah, they're going to V this thing. They're going to V it.
Super bullish 5-minute candle, guys. This is a reversal. Wow, very bullish 5 minutes. Very bullish 15-minute candle developing also. Wow. Very bullish. Conditions are bearish though, man. Ryan, you still here?
Yeah, I am. I'm just watching. Just watching.
We're still live.
Watching,
we have
waiting.
6
Yeah.
people watching.
Yeah,
Wow,
we're chilling.
fucking viral.
Yeah, dude, I can't believe it. We finally blew up.
We made it out the hood with Kool-Aid.
Could you imagine? And 2 of them are me and you. I think one of them else is one of my friends. Reddy's here. It's great.
Oh, buddy, if we go to last week's lows,
So we're
the
rejecting
next lower low on the
598.
weekly.
We're rejecting 133 bounce zone. QQQ is at PCP. This could be a nice bounce to just pull back to continue south. I just don't like the amount of power that came in both sides.
A 597 is super strong. Oh, buddy.
There you go.
If this is gonna happen, this is gonna be one for the books. Oh, buddy.
Yeah.
Oh, buddy.
This could have been a dead cat bounce to just
Look how they
continue
fooled
south.
with the 15-minute and the 5-minute candle. Oh, buddy. Oh, this is gonna be one for the books, guys. Can you imagine they're gonna make a weekly lower low right now? Full top confirmation in that case, no? Weekly lower low. That would be bad. That would be a technical bad. That would look bad. Chart would be fucked up. Strong. Look at the conditions, guys. I'm still in puts. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy.
What's up, Reddy? Good to hear from you, brother. They don't look as strong now, Dimitri. Bear side.
Sorry?
Bears don't look as strong now.
What is strong?
I said the Bears don't look as strong.
Yeah, and puts a call is actually increasing. Puts a call is increasing. I don't like this. Puts a call is increasing. PCC is increasing, guys. PCC is skyrocketing right now, guys. Look at the PCC. It's fucking skyrocketing. I don't like this. I gotta get out of it. I'm green right now, but I'm greedy right now. I'm so greedy.
You're super green, right?
14,000.
Holy fuck, nice. Just
15,000. Yeah. Ugh, I wish we could close above VIX $20.98, buddy. If we close above $20.98 on the 5-minute time frame, guys, it is game over. Game fucking over for the Bulls.
I'm done with Powell.
People in all kinds of jobs have the best.
I'm done with Powell.
Struggling.
We are done. He's just going on his rant now. I think market's gonna cook here now. Probably head back up to 598.80, somewhere in there.
Probably. This is strong demand, guys. This is super strong. But psychologically, everybody's loading calls at strong demand. It makes sense intraday.
Yeah.
But I don't like that PCC is skyrocketing. They're loading long-term probably puts right now. We need to reject here, guys. This is the channel. We must reject here.
I personally think they just meat grindered everybody today.
They did. We must reject here. If we blow this level, we're gonna go higher. We must reject here. Oh yeah, bear squeeze is coming in, baby. Minutes. The 15-minute looking like. Oh, 15-minute got slaughtered, buddy. It was so bullish. $30-minute conditions. MACD is rolling over into bear territory.
There they go. They should push from here.
Jackpot. Jackpot. Boom.
There they go.
Jackpot, baby. Let's go.
QQQ's got to lose
Jackpot.
this.
Boom, boom.
QQQ takes us out. They should go.
Boom, boom, boom.
There they go. There they go.
Oh, yeah. Jackpot, baby. Boom, boom, boom.
I would take a little bit off, buddy, just in case they double bottom here.
I'm not fucking.
I'm not fucking leaving.
Holy shit. Ugh.
Mm-hmm.
You were right. Option doctor. Double bottom bounce, guys. Double bottom. Bullish, bullish, bullish. W pattern.
598.80s are going to go back to the middle.
Double bottom,
Trap.
guys. Double bottom.
This is a
Double
trap.
bottom. This is super bullish, guys. Super, super bullish. Super bullish, guys.
They're going to trap. They'll be back to the middle. 598.80s price target. Oh, I wish you sold.
Me too. That was dirty, buddy.
Yes, it was.
How dirty that is.
Yes, it was. All the bears excited. Now they're going to trap them. They got to go higher, though.
30, 30 games. Wow.
They got to go at least.
Guys, W pattern. We could go high of day. We could go high of day. We go high of day, guys. Double bottom. I took a loss.
You have been saved.
Unless they fuck fool.
You're welcome, Tech.
Can you imagine they fool?
Or Tech, were you holding calls? Guys, don't hold in these cycles. It's too dangerous to hold. Too many traps.
Unless you're holding weeklies, guys. 0 days, you're gonna get fucking tranquilized. Oh, they shook me out, man. They shook me the fuck out. This could be a W pattern potential, honestly. We could fucking go to 687, honestly. This is super bullish. That was a fucking... Is that a shakeout?
I think they're just. I think they're just meat grinding these premiums now, buddy. They're really putting these premiums through the meat grinder now because they're still kind of inflated. It's like roulette, black, red, red, black. Yeah, exactly. Swing trades. They're doing damage. They want to shake everybody out, both sides.
Can you imagine they fake it all out and they just dump like that right now? I took a fucking loss because of this fake out. Definitely shake out all the bears, guys. I think they're gonna dump. They shake them all out, guys.
Is anybody still watching the YouTube? 8 people. There is 8 people.
They definitely shake out all the bears by doing that bounce. How's the VIX?
VIX is at 2030.
VIX did not break structure. VIX did not break structure.
Steven's watching. Yeah. What's up, boy?
Steven's watching?
Yeah, we'll give him a discount if he wants to join. Just a one-time $65,000 initiation fee, and then you can come into the group.
Yeah.
Yeah, swing trades. This is it for me. This is meat grinder time. It's power hour. I got nothing here. Just because they're the cycles now with these wicks, you'll get slipped, and if you get stuck in one of these power moves the wrong way, I just stay away from it now.
Well, you're gonna get fucked in that way.
I'm very, very confident we'll probably close around VWAP today or POC 599s. 599, somewhere in 599. He owes you 300, Den? Okay. So $65,300 initiation fee.
Oh, he owes Den $300 also? What an asshole.
Steven Spielberg. I don't have to edit this, do I? I don't think so. I think if I just stop the stream,
it's live.
Yeah.
Where's the 20-day moving average right now? That's what I'm curious at.
I don't know. All right.